Okay, Assalamualaikum class, let's look at definite integrals. Okay, this is the formula of the definite integrals we have here is this one. Okay, so the formula is the integration of fx dx, okay, from a to b is given by, so fx from a to b, meaning it is fb minus fa. You will substitute the value of x as b, and then you will substitute the value of x as a, and then you will get fb minus fa. So what is your a and b? So a and b, there is your limit. Alright, so we have here is, okay, so the use of the definite integrals is actually to find the area under a curve. Alright, so this is your, okay, so this is your lower limit a, and your b will be your upper limit. So to find the area under a curve, it will be the upper limit minus lower limit. That's why you will get your fb minus fa. Alright, okay, let's continue with the first example. Okay, so we have here integrate 5 dx, and the lower limit is 2 and upper limit is 3, from 2 to 3. So you will get the integration of 5 is 5x, right? So you will get the integration of 5 is 5x, and the limit is from 2 to 3. So by using the formula fb minus fe, you will substitute first your x as 3 and second your x as 2. Then you just substitute, you will get the answer will be 5. 15 minus 10 will be 5. Okay, let's continue with the next example. Okay, so integrate 1 over, okay, root 4 of x dx from 16 to 64. Alright, so firstly you will modify the function. Okay, make sure please modify the function into the form of a single line. Alright, okay, so when you modify, it will be the integration of x power negative 1 over 4 dx. Okay, and then the limit is from 16 to 64. Okay, next you will integrate. Alright, integrate, and you will get x power 3 over 4 over 3 over 4. And then the limit is still from 16 to 64. And then apply fb minus a, upper limit minus with the lower limit. And you will get, okay, this one. Okay, so remember, please simplify your 3 over 4. Alright, when you simplify, you will get it is 4 over 3. Multiply with the 4 over 3. Alright, so you can factorize your 4 over 3. Okay, you can factorize outside your 4 over 3. Or you can also expand into the bracket. So it will be 4 over 3, 64 power 3 over 4. And then minus 4 over 3, 16 power 3 over 4. Okay, so you will get the same answer. So next, okay, remember, when you substitute in your calculator, please put the bracket. Alright, so look at here. Please put the bracket for your power of 3 over 4. Okay, or you can also write as 64 square root of 4 and then power of 3. So you will get the same answer. Okay, lastly, the answer will be 19.5. Okay, continue with next example C. So we have here the integration of square root 3 over x cubed dx from 1 to 5. Okay, alright. So firstly, you will modify the function. So when you modify the function, we will get the integrations for square root 3 over square root x power 3 dx from 1 to 5. Okay, and then make sure please separate your variables and your coefficient. Okay, okay, continue. Next step is it will be, so you can put your square root 3 outside. Okay, and it will be just the integration of x power negative 3 over 2. And then the limit is from 1 to 5. Okay, next continue. Okay, integrate the function. So when you integrate, you will get this one. Okay, so you will get the integration of x power negative 3 over 2. It will be x power negative 1 over 2 over negative 1 over 2. So the limit is from 1 to 5. Okay, continue. Next step is modify the function. So negative 1 over 2 should be put as times 2 over 1, negative 2 over 1. So you will get this one. Okay, after simplify, you will get negative 2 square root 3 and then 1 over square root x, and the limit is from 1 to 5. So next step, you will substitute the value of x. It will be fb minus fe, okay, and the answer will be this one. Okay, so your answer will be 1.9149. Okay, make sure please calculate carefully. Okay, next continue with example D. So example D, we have here the integration of x squared plus x dx, 3x squared plus x dx from 0 to 2. Okay, firstly you just integrate as usual. So it will be 3x cubed over 3 plus x squared over 2, and the limit is from 0 to 3. Then you will simplify and you will get x cubed plus x squared over 2. And then just substitute. So you have simplify and substitute fb minus fe. So firstly you will substitute with your x as 2. So you will get 2 cubed plus 2 squared over 2 minus 0. Okay, so for 0 value, you can write the working, or you can just leave as 0. Okay, then continue, calculate, and you will get the answer is 10.